Okay. Good day, ma'am. Can you please tell me about yourself?
Good day po. My name is Sofia Maynoyka. I'm 28 years old, currently staying in Bicol.
Okay. Do you have kids?
No po.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
Only two po. Me and my
And
brother.
what is your order in the family?
Sorry po.
What is your order in the family?
Youngest.
Okay. Tell me about your educational background.
I'm studying in Naga College Foundation. I took up a Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I graduate last year.
Okay. Do you have any work experience abroad?
No po, as of now.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Mm, uh, I will describe myself a simple person, a happy-go-lucky person also.
Okay. Do you have any tattoos in your body?
Oh yeah, I have in the wrist in my the side of my hand is just a small one.
Okay. And did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
No. Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
Uh, I want to work in abroad to help my family build a house and to have a comfortable life someday.
Oh, okay. And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
No. Okay. Next, can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
Sorry po, can you please repeat the question?
Give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums.
Mm, I think you should talk to them in a nice way because
Mm-hmm.
it's just a kid. They're
Mm-hmm.
gonna they're gonna follow what your order.
Okay. And lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
The message is uh, to take care of me, and I will take care of them also, and I'm gonna do my proper job.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.